Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 1994 Lotus Esprit 300 Sport. This casting is by Matchbox from their moving parts and is new for 2026. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the Lotus Esprit Sport 300 out of its box. It's finished in yellow and it has that very unique wedge shape that was crazy in 90s, early 90s I would say. Lambo did it to their cars and Lotus, well, it kind of looked like a Lambo. But it wasn't as pricey. Now I'm gonna start from the front. So in the front you got some good details. You got Sport 300 number plate, you got the turn indicators, running lamps, lower glaze detail. It had flip-up headlamps, so you can see the cutout for that. Lotus badge. I don't know why there are no mirrors. Matchbox does such a great job recent times, and then they miss out mirrors on this one. I don't know why. You can see the windshield wipers. Not a lot of other details on the front. On the driver's side, because it's a British car, right-hand drive, you can see where the turn indicator or door handle is. None of them is detailed. Wheels we have seen on so many different Matchbox throughout the years. Nothing special here. Obviously, I like the shape. It's so unique, right? You can see the obviously sports cars are two doors. You can see the glass here, vents there. It was a mid-engine car, so engine is in the back. Nothing. I don't think there's a lot to talk about on this side. On the driver's side, moving to the back, good details in the back. You can see the tail lamp is detailed. You got a number plate with a Sport 300 and a 300 Sport badge on the bumper. Quad exhaust, spoiler on the trunk, I would say. So a lot of good details in the back. And this is how it looks on the passenger side. It looks like almost identical. This is how it looks from the top. So you can see it's still wedge shaped. Engine is right there, and it's the part of the moving part. The rear opens up. So let me open that up and show you what's inside. So you can see the engine bay there. There's some details, some painted details inside, which is always good to have. Let's zoom in. You can see there's looks like engine covers, some wires, and some more parts. Nice to have those details there. Always good to have those. Now, this is how it looks from the bottom. Not a lot of details there. Obviously, a plastic base. So overall, I think, even though it misses out on mirrors, it's still a nice looking casting, and I think Matchbox has done a good job with this one. Looks good. I don't think you will be disappointed. Well, those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.